A. Say with me. A is for acorn. B. Say with me. B is for bucket. C. Say with me. C is for crab. D. Say with me. D is for deer. E. Say with me. E is for art. F. Say with me. F is for fence. G. Say with me. G is for globe. H. Say with me. H is for honey. I. Say with me. I is for insect. J. Say with me. J is for jellybean. K. Say with me. K is for king. L. Say with me. L is for lighthouse. M. Say with me. M is for moon. N. Say with me. N is for needle. O. Say with me. O is for owl. P. Say with me. P is for pineapple. Q. Say with me. Q is for quill. R. Say with me. R is for river. S. Say with me. S is for sandwich. T. Say with me. T is for tractor. U. Say with me. U is for universe. V. Say with me. V is for vase. W. Say with me. W for watch. X. Say with me. X is for Xmas tree. Y. Say with me. Y is for yum. Z. Say with me. Z is for zigzag. Subscribe for more videos.